Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone Honor Play 40 Plus in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Honor has officially unveiled the budget smartphone Play 40 Plus. The device differs in that it already has a lot of memory in the database, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of flash memory. This option is priced at $165. Other versions of the device, 8 128ths of a gigabyte for $195 and 8 256ths of a gigabyte for $220. Honor Play 40 Plus is built on a MediaTek Dimensity 700 single-chip system with a 5G modem. The phone received a large screen with a diagonal of 6.74 inches, HD plus resolution and a frame rate of 90 Hz, a side fingerprint scanner and a standard headphone jack. The battery capacity was 6,000 mAh, 22.5W charging is supported. The front camera is 5 megapixel, the main one has a sensor with a resolution of 50 megapixels. The dimensions and weight of the device are 167.48 x 76.85 by 8.27 mm and 196 grams. This concludes the review. Bye bye.